So if I'm evaluating a piece of research, what other things are important to me? Is it just the individual paper output that I'm looking at? Is it the individual that I'm looking at? My assessments might be different in respect of the two, because it might be a very high quality paper, but I'm questioning what the individual has contributed to it. Then if I'm looking at the individual, then I'm probably looking at them in the context of something else. Are they going to be able to deliver a future project? Are they going to be independent? Are they genuine lead authors, lead researchers, potential research leaders? I might be looking for that and trying to extract that from the research outputs that they have put together. For that individual, are all the outputs very similar to each other in terms of subject, or do they dot around? Are they too dotted around? Are they coherent? These are all relevant things if I'm trying to assess an individual. Is there been a strategy that's been followed through upon? Can I see a positive trajectory in terms of the quality of the work, the quality of the funding which has been attracted, this type of networking which the individual has achieved as well. So I'm looking for some of these other facets if I'm looking at the appropriateness of an individual through the research portfolio that I've been presented with. Of course, that's all done with the caveat that it absolutely depends what career stage the individual is at. Someone who's doing their doctorate will not be expected to have such a broad portfolio, and it would probably be naive, be bad tactics for that individual to spread themselves too broadly at the early stage. You need to make sure their research skills are all in place and are embedded. They might start to have some external interactions, some external collaborations, perhaps some single author papers in some disciplines at the early career stage. Later on, yes, we're looking at a portfolio of activity. And certainly there are major disciplinary differences in terms of research assessment. In some disciplines, the monograph is absolutely the blue ribbon. That's what is aspired to and what is required and expected. It might be a book, several years worth of research work all in one tome, whereas in the sciences it will tend to be research papers, perhaps patents as well. Possibly some grant funding applications might be taken as a bit of a proxy, but we will tend to focus on the research papers. In the middle, some social sciences, some aspects of computing and robotics. Then conference papers have much more significance. Impact factors have got very low significance in those disciplines, and just the fact that they've got an abstract has been accepted for presentation at a conference can be a really strong indicator.